Breaker broke 2-3. Just wanted to show you guys the completed redneck lawnmower. Just finished it up today. Took it for a ride. Checked all modes and functions, looking pretty good. So those are faux painted rims, all with rattle can paint. Cut out aluminum discs and polished those and set them up as hubs. Got my ashtray here out of my Chevy Caprice. New John Deere yellow tractor seat, which I think is kind of cool. It goes with the flames and stuff out front. And let's see, killer custom front bumper. And that's the first time we've ever done flames, and learned a lot of lessons from that. So the next one will be better. The hood was all beat up, so we refabbed that, put all new bracketry in, and got that back up and running. Diamond plate shifter bezel. Bumblebee knob there. Painted a yellow insert there on the steering wheel. Got a little bit of dust on it here from driving it around, but that's all high gloss. Lift up the hood here. And this is a ground up, so we did the frame and everything. There you go. Completion of our redneck lawnmower. It was a fun project. Mr. Fix-It helped me out. I want to thank you, Bill. I appreciate the help. I think it turned out great. It's going to make a neat little lawn tractor. Going to use that around the property here to tow my tank sprayer and that. And it turned out really nice. And the old Honda Craftsman still kicking ass and taking names. I think those rims are cool. So, I don't know. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one there. Breaker broke 23.